Hey Scott, how you doing? It's Leo again. We spoke earlier. This is the video I wanted to get sent over to you with some tips you can actually do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love some feedback from you about the video. So as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. Love the logo. Header looks great. The photos look good on here. Gutters, covers, roofing, commercial, tells what you do. Got your great reviews on here. Not bad at all. One thing I would suggest is to add more content. Google loves content 24/7. Google sends bots out to crawl these sites to see if they can identify what your website actually is just through the content. So that's the importance of content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to make sure that you add buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is a service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. You want to make sure you're saving photos and videos as keywords too, because those count as content as well. You've got your click to call up here, which is great, and you got your form submit here. So if people are shy and don't want to call, they can do their form submit. If people's trying to get in touch with you right then and there, they can click on that number and give you a call. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is going to give me your analytics and where you sit in Google's eyes. This was actually another website that I had pulled up before. And this is yours. Okay, now, right now you're being found, you have a 12 UR and a 0.1 DR. So this is the strength that your website has with Google, and this is the trust. Now, these is where your backlinks come in. You've got 32 backlinks and 15 referring domains. Your backlinks reflect your UR and your DR. And now these numbers are out of 100, so you want to try to keep them balanced and moving up continuously. A backlink is the cream of the crop. It's what really powers your website and your keywords, your links and things like that. A backlink is one website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are the same though. Some are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So Scott, you really want to attack those backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you're being indexed for 480 keywords. And again, a keyword is a service that you provide in the area that you provide that service. So roofing, Douglasville, Georgia is actually a really good keyword. There's 100 searches a month and it's a 0 KD. Now these KDs are like the URDR. This is also out of 100, but the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank. Roofing company Douglasville is 150 at 0. You're getting 3 searches a month from that. So not bad at all. Let's see, Peppermint Hill Grays. These are more national keywords or state keywords. Roofing Georgia is 500 search volume, but it's a 39 KD, so that will take a long time to start ranking for. Now, the way I found you was through your Google guarantee. And paying for ads is not a bad way to get business quickly, but when you stop paying for those ads, you're gone off that front page, and being on the first page is what's really important. So as you see here, this is your map pack, and the map pack holds the top three, and these are the businesses right here that's getting the most clicks. Now, most people think it's because of they're the most trusted or well-known. That's not true. These guys have the most optimized Google business profile. Now, you're not in the top 3, and that's fine because there's several ways to get there. Make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet because you do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to get that filled out and make sure to add keywords in that as well. By posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly will really help you rank organically. And also adding citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. You want to put that in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because honestly, it's just a big popularity contest. The more information you put your business's info in, the more Google starts to trust you. So you want to fill in as many directories as possible. that'll start to boost your business not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in that map pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of business that comes to your website, and is going to give you a call from there. Now, went down to the organics. Organics is very important because this is where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. Colony Roofers are the #1 organic in Atlanta right now. So, as you can see, they don't really have a lot of content either. So, implementing having more content on your website than theirs, along with the keywords and the backlinks, will help you start to outrank these guys. Now, I wanted to show you something in the Atlanta area, like 28 KD for 3,200 search volume. That is insane. The KD is, again, it's out of 100, but the higher it is, the longer it takes to rank. I've seen some areas that you also service. Marietta, look at this, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23. There's like 3,000 searches right here. And you can add all these numbers up, and it's still going to be less difficulty than these right here. But it's just the same amount of volume, if not more. So you can add a locations page to your website, and then put on that location page that you serve Marietta, that you serve Sandy Springs. Look at the Sandy Springs. Just these 2 words right here, just these 2 keyword phrases is 900 searches a month with 0 KD. You'll be ranking for these within a month or 2. And then getting a portion of 900, even if you only got 5%, that's 45 new jobs coming into your business each month. So, Scott, I hope you enjoyed this video. You see there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, again, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website. And then it's going to give you a call depending on your close rate. Then you can turn those calls into customers. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out because I can be that resource for you. And I hope you have a great day.